So friends, in this video I am going to explain how to insert charts in Microsoft Excel. We have this data table here with names of batsmen and number of runs they scored in particular year 2015 to 2019. Now to insert chart, just select all the data and then go to insert and go to recommended charts and insert the second one, insert. So we have this chart. On y-axis we have the number of runs, and on x-axis we have these individual bars for different players with this legend at the bottom. Now we can change the appearance of this chart using this button. Suppose we need an axis title, we can click here. We need data labels. If we want to include data table like this, we can have it here. Then we have this styling option, different types of charts like this one, or we can have this one. This is the first one. We can also change color of the chart, like suppose we need this scheme, or we need monochromatic scheme like this. Then if we need to filter out some data, like suppose we don't need Virat Kohli's data, just unselect it and apply. Now the Virat Kohli's data is removed from the chart. Let's add it back, apply. This is how we can insert charts in Microsoft Excel. That's it friends. If you have found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to click that bell icon to get notifications of new video uploads.